Hey everyone, welcome back to BotBee. Today I'm going to show you how you can connect your WhatsApp business account to BotBee in just 5 steps. First, let's go to the BotBee dashboard. And then under WhatsApp select Connect Account. And then as you can see a highlighted button called Connect WhatsApp is here, so click on it. That's it. WhatsApp account connected successfully. After that, scroll down and click on the register button. A pop-up box will appear where you need to put a 6-digit PIN code. You can choose the PIN code as you wish, so I'm going to write. OK, now click on the register button, and you are good to go. Follow payment details, business verification, and profile settings steps to complete the setup. Link in description. Thank you for watching the video.